Hi friends, I have some great news for you. We are going to start with a new and to the point physics crash course for the NEET 2023 in which we will cover the whole syllabus, the complete syllabus of the NEET in just 3 months. So this course will begin on the 1st of Feb 2023 and there is some special offer which I will announce at the end of this video. So let me tell you some details of the course. This course will be conducted on a live and an interactive platform such that you will be able to see me of course, but also I will be able to see you, we will be able to hear each other's voices, and the benefit of this is whenever you have a doubt, you can ask me there itself and your doubt will be solved in the live class itself. So this is the biggest benefit. There will be 5 classes per week from Monday to Friday followed by a test, and there will be an extra class just for the sake of test solutions and doubt solving. Then you will get to the point study material and daily practice questions, and of course you will get class notes. So whatever I teach and write in the class, you will get those notes in PDF form. After that, you will get the recordings of all the classes so that if you miss some point in the class or if you miss the entire class itself, then the recordings will be always there for you to watch afterwards. Then now let's come to the pricing of this course. So this live course that I am talking about, the fee for this course is just rupees 6,000 only, and I told you at the beginning of this video that there will be some special offer. So special offer is if you join before 31st of Jan and if you are in first 50 students, then you will get rupees 1000 off. Okay, so rupees 1000 off, that means the fee for you will be just rupees 5000 only. Then there is another version of this course also, so it will not be live and fee for that course is rupees 3500 only. So now if you are interested in this course, contact me on my number 911 363 5669. So you can call me, you can send me a WhatsApp message, or you can send me a message on Telegram. I will reply you. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the course.